Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to English with Devi. Now we are going to learn about places and direction. Let's start it. In the first session, we are going to learn about vocabulary. Let's repeat after me. This is a bank. This is a post office. This is a hospital. This is a school. This is a supermarket. This is a park. This is a mosque. This is a bus station. This is police station. This is a library.
Talking about direction.
Go straight. Turn right. Turn left. Next to. The school is next to the bank. Between. The park is between the mosque and the supermarket. Across to. The restaurant is across to the post office. In the second session, let's repeat this conversation.
Can you show me where is mosque?
Go straight, you will pass the restaurant, and the mosque is across to the hospital.
Excuse me, can you show me where is the bookstore?
Go straight and then turn right, and the bookstore is next to the restaurant. It is on the left side.
Now, it's your turn to practice about the direction. Can you tell me how I go to school? Excellent for today, everyone. Don't forget to write your answer on comment. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more English with Devi. See you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.